Okay, so my Blizzard box came in after 1 day of delivery, and here it is. It looks pretty nice. It has like a Murloc on the top, and it's gear.blizzard all around. Oh shoot, I can't move this with one hand. Oh, this is too hard. Let's not ruin the box too much. So what do we have here? We have a lot of padding, and here we go. Oh, it's so cute and fluffy. Okay, so here we go. The Overwatch Pachimari. We got the Pachimari up there with the sausage and the leek. Very nice. Ages 4 and above. I feel like I don't quite fulfill that requirement. And look, oh, plush collector series Pachimari Blizzard. Not interesting. And there's a bunch of labels on the bottom. Not much on the top. So I guess this is exactly what you'd get from the crane machines in Hanamura. It's pretty nice. All right, let's. This doesn't seem to have anything sealing it. Let's extract the item. Ooh, this is very nice. It's very round, and it has some tags with Blizzard on them. Blizzard 4+, ages 4 and above. It's got the suckers on the tentacles, and I hear this also has a squeaker. Let's try that again. Oh, I think it's I think what you have to do is you have to squeeze the middle of it. So let me use my dominant hand, which I should have been doing this entire time. So there you go. Oh, there it is. That's a pretty nice squeak. I don't know where the squeaker is located. Maybe in the middle of it. It's very nice. Very adorable. Very soft. And that's pretty much it. This is the Pachimari. Comes in a nice crane box, and there it is. Oh no! What? Goodbye. Oh, what is this? I'm working. Goodbye.